expressions, sir. On time, in time, and in good time. On time means समय पर, in time means समय से थोड़ा पहले,
What
and
the meaning, sir? All of them?
हाँ, on time means समय पर, in time
Yes, sir.
समय से थोड़ा सा पहले, and in good time समय से काफ़ी पहले.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Very nice. I will just note down, sir.
Yes, of course, sir.
I will note down, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Rajnandani. How are you, dear?
I am
Sanaya,
fine, sir.
Sanaya, good evening.
Good evening.
Sanaya's internet is bad. Sanaya's internet is bad. Hello, Mrs. Veer. Good evening. Could you hear me?
Good evening, sir.
How are you, Mrs. Veer?
So, basically, my internet is pathetic.
Your internet is pathetic today. Sanaya's also.
Yes, so.
So is Sanaya's. So is Sanaya's.
Yeah.
Sir, you told in good time or on good time?
In good time, sir.
In good time.
ये
Okay, sir.
समय से काफ़ी पहले.
समय से काफी पहले.
What's up?
I was teaching 3 expressions with time. The first one is on time means समय पर. Second one is in time समय से पहले. And the
Okay.
third one is uh, in good time समय से काफ़ी पहले.
Okay, on time, in time, and good time.
Yes.
Sir, situation of corona is getting day by day out of control.
Yes. It is getting from bad to worse.
But to birth in Patna, sir,
Oh,
lot of cases are here, and
according to my
even
latest
private
report, 5,000 people in a day have been just tested positive in Bihar.
in Bihar, yes, sir. And
Oh my
private
God.
hospitals are not taking any patient
Ah,
to admit.
because of the fear of corona.
I can't explain it, but one of our very reliable sources said in private hospitals they are not taking any new patients without
Okay.
any recommendation.
Okay. So the situation
When
is so
someone
bad,
comes to
right?
When someone comes to Patna for treatment, it is very he gets a very bad experience.
So hospitals are declining from taking
Private
admissions.
hospitals, sir.
Private
Admissions. Because
hospitals.
there is no room.
There is no rule to regulate them, right?
Room, sir. There is no room.
Okay, there is no room, you want to say. They don't have
Yes, sir.
any seat vacant.
But I think, sir,
Very sick.
corona positive patients should take care of themselves
Yes. Why not?
because doctors, if we reached a hospital, I don't think that we can come alive.
It is better to get quarantine in your own home or
Yeah.
residence.
Mhm.
Uh, in comparison with admit to any hospital or government hospital or private hospital. It is no matter.
Okay.
The private hospitals are, what should I say, sir, giving treatment to a dead person just only because
Money.
money.
Yes, yes. You are absolutely right.
That's why India is so bad. So what should I say?
And that's also a reason that you want to shift to Canada, right, Mrs. Veer?
Right, sir. That is the
But
biggest reason.
there are a lot of problems in Canada also, sir. There is no
What
yes, I'm telling you, sir.
But
what
Mrs.
kind
Veer
of
has got a great fantasy to go to Canada.
No problem, sir.
So what are
But
we
in
supposed to do?
Canada
Huh?
or any other developed countries, sir, our life is secured as compared to India.
Yes, yes. But in India, only few people are here to do all the obstacles for a common man. Only few people due to power, muscles, or any political power, money, muscles. You can say anything. You can say.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Abhishek.
Abhishek is not regular, na, sir?
Abhishek is not?
Regularly attending the class.
Yeah, he is not that much regular as you people are.
Yeah, but he is quite intelligent. He should attend this class regularly.
Yes, of course, he should. And he has good knowledge of English.
Yes, sir. His pronunciation is quite different as compared to others.
Like?
Com- like there is a Bihari touch in other
Yes,
students.
yes. I'm just guessing it. I'm just guessing it.
He is from,
Yeah,
yeah, he is from Bihar itself. He is from
but
Danapur.
but sir, his pronunciation is not like that. His tone is quite different.
Good.
He is brought up in Punjab, ma'am.
Abhishek.
Yes.
Yeah, no, you are. Even Punjabis are not so good pronunciation. Neither.
So what are we supposed to do today?
So some students were left to make sentences of question number 7A. So like Sanaya, Abhishek.
Okay. Let me open the book then.
Yes.
Let me open
Raj
the book.
Nandini. Yeah.
Rajnandani. Rajnandani, you are supposed to talk about here.
What happened to you, sir?
Nothing else. I did not feel like teaching today.
Why, sir?
I don't know reason. For no reason.
We can continue our gossiping, sir.
No. If we have started the class, we should better
Yes, sir.
continue with the studies.
So, as you say, sir.
Prakash sir joined a little late today.
Okay.
Good evening, sir. Okay.
Good evening, Prakash sir. Good evening.
Good evening, Rajesh sir. Good evening, Mr.
Good evening, Prakash, sir.
I'm not late, sir. I think some students are also not there.
But we were missing you.
Thank you, Mr. Reed. I am the person someone missed me.
Sometimes you miss an opportunity also. Did you miss Mr. Prakash in the same way, Mrs. Veer?
No.
Did you miss Mr. Prakash the way we sometimes miss any opportunity?
Sir. Like what kind of opportunity you are saying, sir?
I don't know. You better understand.
No, sir.
Now I'm gonna just share the screen. Yeah. ये करके दिखाओ यारो, ये करके दिखाओ. Question number 7 थे.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Rajnandani, Sanaya and Abhishek these three people are supposed to speak sentences and the others will show their agreement or disagreement with their statements. So guys, are you ready? Rajnandani, Sanaya and Abhishek.
You are in a
Yes,
different
sir.
form, sir.
Sorry ma'am.
You are in a different form today.
Yeah, I'm in a different form today because I did not feel like teaching today. I wanted to sit idly and kill my time or waste my time doing nothing. But I have to because I have
Right, sir.
started my class, and that's why I'll not be in a very serious mood to teach today. You'll have to bear with me, and thank you in advance for bearing with me, guys.
You have to be serious in Rajanandani, Sanaya, and Abhishek class.
You have to be serious with them.
Sir, I love the way you speak, sir.
Thank you. So, who is gonna take the first chance? Is it Rajanandini or Abhishek or Sanaya?
Sir, me.
Okay, Rajnandini is going to speak first. Rajnandini, you should start your sentences with the phrases given in the question number 7th A, and you should follow the sequence or the serial number given in the question. Did you understand, dear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So, now it's your time. Start, please.
I love spicy food.
Amazing.
I.
So do I.
So do
So do
I.
I.
But really, I don't.
Oh, so sad.
I don't like sweets.
But I
Neither
do.
do I.
Neither do I.
सनाया, I am very happy that तुमको कुछ तो बोलने आया. Okay, dear,
I
continue.
went to I went to college 2 weeks ago.
Really?
Oh, I-
So did I.
went for last.
Okay, Rajesh sir also went to college.
Yes, sir. So did I.
Rajesh sir is equal to Rajnandini.
I also go to college, sir. Rajnandani also goes. She also goes college.
Yes, that's why I told you you are young as Rajnandini sir.
But we never met. But we
This is
never met.
misconception, sir. This is misconception.
Sir, her name is Raj.
And your name
Nandini.
also starts with the
Means
same.
My name is Raj.
Yes.
Raj
But you are, sir, but
Nandini.
he is not
Nandini means
Simran's Raj.
daughter.
Yes.
Raj Nandini.
Yeah. So next question, my dear.
I did not go cinema.
Neither did I.
Very good,
But I
Sanaya. Sanaya. Very happy. It's a very good day today because Sanaya is speaking sentences and Abhishek is Abhishek as usual is completely silent, keeping his mic muted all the time. Abhishek, what stops you from speaking, my dear?
Sir, I thought only I have to make the sentences from scratch.
Sorry?
Sir, I
Yes,
thought
Captain.
that I have to only make sentences
No.
from given phrases.
You'll have to just give your agreement or disagreement with the statements being given by Raj Nandini. Did you understand? Okay, Raj Nandini, continue please.
I am very angersome.
So am I.
I'm not.
So am I.
So am I.
So
Okay,
am I.
So am I.
really, Sanaya?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm just muting
am-
my mic
I
and
am
stopping
not.
the recording because the Ajan has started, okay?
I agree, Rajesh, sir.
Yes, yes.
But the point is that, sir, to whom are you doing the bhakti?
Everyone, sir. You can do bhakti for everyone. It depends on you.
Ah,
It's my personal opinion.
Yes, yes,
It depends on you. कि आप किसकी भक्ति करते हैं.
but again you spoke Hindi, sir. I think Rajesh sir is the only person to
on
speak Hindi
whom,
sometimes. To whom? To
on
whom?
whom, to whom you
Do bhakti or
do,
devotion.
do bhakti,
Yeah.
devotion. Yeah. To whom do bhakti.
Yeah, offer devotion.
Yes, sir.
So, Rajnandani, will you please continue? Start and continue?
Yes.
Start. Yeah, please.
I am not sociable.
But
So,
I
But I
am.
am.
so
But I
am
am.
I. So am I. Am I
I-
right? So am I. Am I right?
So am I. Yes, sir.
No,
Yes, you are right, sir.
no. Why? Because Rajnandani said I am not sociable. So I should say nor am I.
Okay.
Nor am I.
Nor am.
Okay.
Nor am I. Yes,
Yeah.
sir. If you agree in negative
Negative.
sentence, then you have to say
Nor.
nor am I.
Yes.
Neither am I. Yes.
Yes, correct.
Today I have heard your sir video
Mhm.
in which I learnt a lot of from this video, sir.
Which video, sir?
Today,
Which video, sir?
which you have already posted, sir. Video 2 maybe.
In the class, na, in Hindi, in the
Second video, sir, in
App-
Hindi,
app
which is
video,
in
no?
Hindi.
Okay.
described in the Hindi in the app.
Okay.
You have clearly told, sir, ki which when you agree in negative sentence, then you have to say
Neither or nor.
neither or nor.
Yep.
I know from it is so am.
Yes, sir. Yes. Thank you for giving some value to my video lessons, sir.
Very informative, sir.
Did you people watch yesterday's news editorial video?
No.
But
I shared
Where you
this. I shared the link into the group. You should watch, because in the editorial I explain the things in a way which is very interesting and easy to understand as well, and I break the sentences in a small and very easy structure so that anybody and everybody can learn it through that easily.
But sir, I inquired at about 2 p.m., sir, but there was no any share or link. Share, sir.
I did not share today. I shared yesterday, sir, at 6 o'clock. The editorial will be always released on YouTube or telecast on YouTube at 6 o'clock in the evening. That is a fixed time. I did not do it today because I was very busy. At the time of my recording of editorial, some teacher came to me. He wanted to teach mathematics on the app, so I started interviewing him. But unfortunately, I did not find him up to the mark because he did not have even the study materials prepared.
Okay.
It was 9th April video, sir, no?
Sorry, sir. Yes, sir. So it doesn't have to do with the date, sir. Why? Because English cannot be limited or restricted to any date. I am not gonna just explain or analyze the news. I am going to explain and analyze the words and structure and grammar rules. So, in the editorial analysis of 9th of April, I have analyzed a lot of useful structures that will be of great use to all of you when it comes to speaking English. Rajnandani, please continue. Rajnandani.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I have got a sports certificate.
Oh, but I haven't.
So am I.
Okay, but I haven't also. I haven't also is wrong. I haven't either. I will teach you one more way to show your agreement in the negative sentences.
Yeah, I haven't either. Either.
Yes, Mrs. V. That is the way. I'll explain in the end, okay?
Okay.
Rajnandani, do you want to say something more?
Yes, sir.
Please.
I can do painting.
But the
But
hair.
I
Can
can't.
I?
Oh,
So can I?
Okay, great. But
I
I
can't
can't.
cook.
Sorry, please go ahead.
I can't cook food.
Nor can
But
I.
I can.
Nor
But I can.
Nor can I.
Nor can I. Nor can
Sir,
I.
done.
Okay, in place of nor can I can say I can't either.
I can't either.
Yeah,
Okay.
Can't.
either. This is also a way to show your agreement in the negative sentences or with the negative sentences.
Yes, sir.
Abhishek Kumar.
Sir.
Abhishek is busy in making sentences.
Sorry, sir.
Abhishek is busy in making sentences.
In making
I think
sentence.
Abhishek didn't present at that time when you learn the structure, sir.
When you taught the structure, sir.
When you teach, yeah, taught.
When I taught the structure, he was not in the class. I think Abhishek's internet is bad. Too bad to hear me. Too bad to say
Yesterday,
anything.
sir, I was absent.
Okay, so you want to
I
keep
took a
quiet.
participant.
Okay. Sanaya,
Yes, sir.
क्या तुमको समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I love listen to music.
I love listening to music.
But I
So do
don't.
I.
So do I.
I don't like to tell a lie.
Nor do I.
I didn't either.
I don't either.
Very
I don't
good.
either.
Very good, sir. Very fast learner, all of you are.
I
sometimes.
asked you, sir, I have to use the same
Yes, yes, Mrs.
structure.
Veer, you too, you too, you too, you too.
I went Patna.
But I didn't.
So did I.
you are already in Patna,
So do
sir.
I.
Rajesh sir, you are already in Patna itself. Mrs. Veer, have you ever been to Bihar or not? Bihar state?
No, sir. No, never.
Hard luck for you.
Yeah, you can say, sir. You can say.
How? In what way?
Because Bihar is full of talent, sir.
But I would like to mention, ma'am, you have to at least one time come to Patna at Patna Sahib.
Nobody invites, sir. Yeah, nobody invite me.
Who invited you?
Of course.
I thought
She is
somebody
hinting
should
at you,
invite
sir.
me, then
She
I-
is hinting at you, sir.
It is very holy place. It is very holy place.
No,
I know,
Rajesh
sir.
sir, Rajesh sir,
Meeting.
Rajesh sir, she is directly hinting at you that nobody invited me yet. Nobody has invited me yet. She is directly hinting at you, and still you are saying, who will invite you?
No problem. No problem. Actually,
He's saying, sir, he's trying to say that my house is open for you.
Sorry?
He's saying, sir, no need to invite, no need to give any invitation.
you have to visit that place. It is very holy place. Actually, in Patna city, I was posted one time in our bank.
Yes.
My bank was before the Gurudwara of
Okay.
Patna Sahib.
Okay, in front of the Gurudwara.
Usually I goes there.
I used to go
I
there.
used to go there. I used to go there.
Okay.
You should invite me, Rajesh, sir.
Why not? You are welcome. Whenever you want.
After forcing so much.
With heavy hearted, sir. With heavy hearted.
But take after Corona, it is very
Very risky, yes, of
Yeah.
course. I do agree.
very
Risky.
risky.
Yes.
It is
Sanaya.
And he-
advisable.
Sanaya, next sentence, my dear.
I didn't go to Delhi.
But I did.
Neither did I.
I don't either.
Okay.
I don't either.
Don't or did. What do you want to say, sir? Do you want to talk about present or do you want to talk about past?
Sanaya said, sir, I don't know.
No,
I
sir.
don't go
No, sir.
to
No, sir.
Delhi. I
No, sir.
did.
She said, yep, she's talked about the past.
Didn't either. I didn't either.
Okay, very good. Very good.
I am learning English this day.
So am
do
I.
So am I.
So I am. So am I.
Yes.
So am I.
So am I.
I have got new laptop.
Ah, really?
But I haven't.
Yes,
I
sir.
am.
Great. Congratulations.
Thank you,
And
sir.
Sanaya, you are a student of offline class, na? So come to the class
Yes.
and give me the party. Nobody else is nobody else is going to join now. Okay. Continue, buddy. Continue, my dear. Sorry. Continue, please.
I can ride a cycle.
So can
So
I.
can I?
So can I.
So can I?
I can't like cruel men.
Sorry. Sorry.
I
Your
can't
voice.
like
Your
Her voice is breaking badly, sir.
yeah. Her voice is breaking. Repeat. Repeat your sentences.
I can't like cruel men.
I can't like.
Cruel.
Which?
I can't either. I
Quarrelsome,
can't
sir.
either.
Quarrelsome.
Sanaya, I couldn't hear you.
Cruel, cruel.
Okay, you can't
Maybe
like cruel
seeing
men.
Yes,
Cruel men.
yes.
Okay. So can't.
cruel. Man.
So can I. Sorry, nor can
I
I.
can't.
Nor can I.
I can't either.
Good.
Sir, done.
Done. Done are done.
Sir, but Sanaya and Rajnandri didn't make complete sentences, sir.
All the sentences.
Like they skip I didn't like, I didn't go, I am not, I haven't got.
Why so, Sanaya and Rajnandini? Why did you do so? Why did you escape? Why did you skip a few sentences?
Sir, I skipped one sentence. I have not got.
Why did you? You shouldn't have. So what next? I think this chapter is done, or are a few questions
What
still?
about Abhishek, sir?
Abhishek, you know, when I was a student in high school, one of my teachers used to make some students Vardani students.
Like, sir? Means?
Do you people understand what Vardani students means?
No, sir.
Vardhan
I
students.
didn't.
Vardhan, you understand Vardhan blessings?
Yes, sir.
Okay. He used to give Vardhan to some of the students, some of the best students of the class. And what did he used to give to the students as Vardhan?
What, sir?
That is called Abhaydan in Indian culture. Abhaydan means whatever you want, you may do. I am not gonna just punish you. Whether you study or not,
Okay.
whether you attend the class or not, whether you complete your homework or not, no punishment at all.
Okay. Abhishek has taken hindsight, sir.
And some of the best students of the class wanted to be Vardhani because they did not want to be under restraints or restrictions or under any compulsion or pressure to study, to attend the classes regularly, or to do the homework.
Right, understood, sir. I will not repeat it.
Sorry, Abhishek.
Sir, yesterday I was busy, sir. That's why I was saying. But I will not repeat it again.
Okay, great. But I did not say anything to you, my dear.
Understood is for me.
I am sometimes very cruel, na? I hit the bat.
But sir, Abhishek is very disciplined.
Yes, of course, he is, sir. Okay, should we then finish this chapter?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then next is review. I hope all of you are ready for the review, because in the review you are not going to get any new thing. You will get a rapid revision of the things that you have learnt in the previous chapters. Hello? No reaction, no responses from anybody? Am I audible? Am I audible to all?
You
Yes,
can
sir.
review
I was
our
disconnected.
chapter.
So can you see the screen here?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
What is the first question? Make questions with these words. Words are in jumbled form. You'll have to
Yeah.
rearrange them and make a meaningful sentence, and the sentence should be in the form of a question.
Yes, sir.
So what should be the second sentence with the words given in the second question?
How
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 often do you
often
cook?
How often do you cook?
So
often do
would
you
cook.
What can you cook?
No, first of all, let me ask one more thing. So
Oh,
will you please like to give the answer of the first question? How often do you cook?
what's your favorite food?
No, no, Mrs. Veer.
What is the
First of
answer of that? You
first of all,
Answer, na sir.
yeah, I want the answer from everybody. How often do you
Okay.
cook?
How often do you?
Yeah,
I cook daily, sir.
you cook daily, okay? And
sir I cook daily?
twice
Sanaya
or
also
thrice
cooks
in a
daily.
week.
Sorry, sir.
I don't cook.
I cook
Twice or
hardly.
thrice in a week.
Okay, but hardly should be spoken before the main verb. I hardly cook.
I hardly.
Yes, and Prakash sir also hardly
I
cooks.
cook daily,
Yes, Rajesh sir cooks daily.
but
I
I
cook
cook daily.
Okay.
twice or thrice every week.
I really don't remember when I last cooked anything. And what should be what should
Don't
be
have
the
that
sentence with the words given in the third question?
What can you
What
cook?
can
What
Can you?
Yeah, what can you cook?
what
It's a
can
question to all of you.
cook?
Yes, very good. Now please answer this question. What can you cook?
I can cook vegetarian food, sir.
Okay,
I
vegetarian food.
can cook. I can cook chicken biryani.
Chicken biryani, very good.
I can cook all?
Means all of
I
us.
can cook.
Yes.
I don't want to be cooked, yaar.
How can you cook, Mr. Veer?
No, she said in such a tone. She should have said I can cook everything, but she said I can cook all. That's why I asked this question. See, छोटा छोटा सा word से कितना difference हो जाता है. We people don't understand, but makes difference. And that's why sometimes in a funny way I just try to find out point out the difference between the sense.
It also affects in Hindi also, sir.
Of course, sir, of course. Of course it does. Of course it does. But in Hindi we hardly make any such mistake. Why so? Because we understand and we feel the differences.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next one is fourth.
How much do you cook?
Doing this on
Food abhi.
Spend on
How much
food.
do you
Spend on food every
How
week.
much do you
How much do
spend
you spend on food a week?
on food a week?
How
Very good,
much
very
do
good.
you spend on food a week?
Very good, very good, very good. So tell me, how much do you spend on food every week?
Sir, I don't know because my husband purchase food, so
Okay.
but food material.
Okay.
Sir,
Uh-huh.
sir, on
Yes.
cooking or on eating?
Every all the things, including the food you cook at home and the food that you buy from the market.
Okay.
Everything. It includes everything. Do you people have any idea? How much do you spend on food every week?
It's about,
I spend
I
on
think
food
500.
almost 10 hours in a week.
No, sir. How much means money is being asked, sir.
Okay.
I hardly spend.
I think approximately 500. Approximately.
Personally, you, Abhishek, or your whole family? I think generally a family spends 5,000 rupees a week on
Yes, sir.
food. 5,000 rupees on food a week. Means every week a family spends at least 5,000 rupees on food.
So can we use
5,000
around
is
5,000
too
on the
much,
place
sir.
of at least
But in my family, it goes beyond 5,000 in a week on food only.
You eat non-veg, na sir?
But sir,
That's
in
No,
why.
the case of
there are 7
mandatory,
members in my family, and there is one maid also. So every week we have to cook food 3 times for 8 people.
yes, sir.
So do you think, what do you think, how much will it cost? 8
I don't know,
people?
so. But 5,000 is like higher amount, sir.
No.
Yes, sir.
I
On an
think.
average,
I
it
think, sir.
costs 5,000
Yes,
per
sir.
family, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Average cost of food per week for a family of 5 or 6 is 5,000 rupees.
But not all the family have same
Average, I
amount.
told you, my dear. Average, I told you.
Average.
Average, I told you, my dear.
Average.
Yes, average, I told you. See, I am telling food grains, pulses,
It may be,
oil,
it
ghee,
may be,
sugar, milk, curds, vegetables, and sometimes non-veg also if you are non-vegetarian. Okay.
it may be costlier in the metropolitan, sir.
Of course, sir. Of
Just
course,
like
I do agree. It will definitely be costlier in metropolitan cities and less costly in urban areas and countryside.
countryside, yes.
Yes. Very good. The next one. The next one. Fifth question.
Have you got a favorite
Have you got a
restaurant?
favorite restaurant?
Favorite restaurant?
No, I don't have. Do you people?
No.
No, sir.
Yes, I got.
Prakash, sir?
Neither have I, sir.
Okay.
I hardly go to a restaurant, sir.
So you also don't have any particular favorite restaurant, right, sir?
Right, sir. Yes.
I know some favorite restaurant.
And
My favorite-
I rather hate going to the restaurants.
I
I really don't enjoy the food at the restaurant. I never enjoy. You know the reason behind it? I always means calculate the cost. It is very costly to eat at restaurant. And I don't feel so much comfortable eating at restaurant as well.
Why, sir?
At home I can sit in the bed and lie in bed and can eat. Can I do the same in the restaurants?
But sir,
No.
sometimes it is necessary to
How, sir? And why,
go
sir?
to a restaurant with your family, sir.
Why, sir? Why so?
Because she know the restaurant culture.
Yes. For this point of
Eat in a
from this
eat
point
in a
of
big
view, I agree
restaurant.
with you. From this point of view, I agree with you.
Sometimes I go to a restaurant, sir, because due to my family or my children, sir.
Okay.
Because they should know
Okay.
the restaurant culture,
Mhm.
how to go there, how to eat.
Great.
I avoid just because of cleanliness, sir.
That is also that is also an issue
Yes, sir.
with the restaurants. But the point that I care for most is the cost of the food.
Okay.
See, if I spend 1,000 rupees one evening eating at restaurant, the same thing can be eaten 3 times if it is cooked at home,
Yes, sir.
and with more liberty and more freedom you can eat at home.
And with more quantity, sir.
Yes, of course,
Quantity.
3 times. Quantity will be 3 times in the same cost.
Yes, sir.
Anyways, it is my personal point of view, and I think hardly any member of my family loves going to restaurant. And second thing I must say, that all the items which are cooked which are available in restaurants, in good restaurants, are cooked at my home, from golgappa to pizza, everything.
Sir, you married to a chef, sir.
No, not only my wife, my brother also cooks. My brother also cooks. My son is also learning how to cook. A lot of things he has learnt, and his learning is still learning.
But sir, Mrs. B told you can eat more quantity, but my point is, here is, you cannot eat not more than your stomach.
The yes, sir, but
Oh,
you are right.
you opened my eyes, yaar. You opened my eyes, Rajesh sir.
ज्ञान चक्षु आपने खोल दिए. Say that.
Sir, I was not aware of that, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Rajesh sir.
Amazing.
Rajesh sir is very fond of the restaurant.
Sorry, sir.
Rajesh sir is very fond of restaurant.
No, he
No,
said
sir,
no.
I'm
He
not
said
fond-
that he
I'm
goes
not
only
very
because
fond of-
he wants to train his family with the restaurant
Yes.
culture.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. Are you ready with the next question? Question number.
Yes.
When was the last time you ate out?
Yes. When was the last time you
Last time,
you ate out?
Sir, I ate out today itself, sir.
Very good.
And alone, sir.
Oh. So you must have eaten more, right, Mrs. Veer? Because
I
there
ate
was nobody
a
to
week
share.
ago.
No, sir. No, sir. I ate only that my stomach needs, sir. As Rajesh sir said.
Okay. Okay. Abhishek was saying something. Abhishek.
Sir, I ate a week ago.
Sorry, I ate.
I was 8 a week ago.
I ate, not I was ate. I ate a week ago.
I was
Yes, past indefinite it is. V2 is required. Will
I
others
was
say?
ate a week
Will
ago.
others reply this? Answer this question. Okay.
I ate out last week, sir.
Okay. I don't really remember when I last ate out.
on last Sunday, there was a special dish for me, and my wife told I will have only two lit. So I was very surprised that it's a very I will have very late. But when I reached there, I was ordered for the 4 litti.
Okay,
And my wife
I ordered 4 litties.
Sorry, I ordered for little, but my wife went to the some clothes house and she purchased about 1200.
She purchased.
She purchased 1200 clothes of rupees 1200.
Could anybody make out what he said?
No, sir.
No. His voice was very low, sir.
His voice,
is very
yeah,
low.
often his voice is very low.
Because his mic is far away from him, sir.
Yes.
Please wait, ma'am. My voice is clear now.
Yes, of course it
Yes.
is.
No.
It is. It is now.
Yes, sir. My wife went into the clothes garments house and she purchased about 1200 rupees clothes.
Okay.
So the cost of my 4 liters was about 1300.
Okay. Oh. Yes. So costly litties is.
मेरी सारी संवेदना और सहानुभूति
costly.
आपके साथ है.
I told her on that day. It was very
I
costly
pity you,
litty.
sir. I pity you. I'm really feeling very sorry for you. But I think you should be proud of eating so costly and expensive litties.
I told it was very tasty litty today.
Okay.
Grapes are sweet, sir. Grapes are sweets.
Yeah. Grapes are sour, no, sir.
Four.
Grapes are sour.
No. Grapes are sweet. Sour, no, sir. Grapes are sweets. Here, grapes are
He
sweets.
changed the
Vinay sir is
word.
saying grapes are sweets.
Okay, great.
He changed the proverb, sir.
Yeah.
It's a proverb.
Okay.
What it
Next.
means, sir? It
But
is a
he
phrase.
is advocate, sir. He can
ग्रेप्स
do
आर सार
anything.
मीन्स अंगूर खट्टे हैं, जो चीज नहीं मिला उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं ना बहुत बुरा है.
Oh,
For that
Yes, sir,
situation
Vijay
we
sir
use
has
this
got the
proverb.
littings.
Yeah, he got the
Vijay
littings.
sir has got the littings.
Yes, that's why
Whatever
grapes are
cost
sweet.
he paid.
Yeah. Whatever the cost
Then
was,
litties
he
are-
paid and he got it. That's why the litties are no more. Sorry, the grapes are no more sour.
No more, sir. Yes, sir. That is the meaning. I am saying.
What is litti, sir?
A litti is a special type of dish of Bihar,
Made of what, sir?
made of atta and sattu.
Okay. Is it a sweet dish, sir?
No, it is salty. Actually, let me tell you that sattu is stuffed into the bowls of atta. Okay, sattu is just stuffed into, and not only sattu. Sattu mixed with some salt, some chili, some chopped potato, onion, and some other spices as well to make it tastier. And it is then either baked directly on the fire or is fried, deep fried in oil. Okay, and eaten with mashed potato, mashed bangan, brinjal, and mashed tomato.
Oh,
And also tell her, sir, what is sattu?
Sattu.
I know sattu. I know sattu.
Sattu,
Okay, okay,
sattu is a flour, or what should I say, finely ground form of gram.
roasted gram.
Yeah, roasted
I
gram.
didn't
roasted
understand the
gram, better
definition,
say.
sir, but I know sattu.
Yes, of course.
It is a flour of roasted gram.
Yeah, it's a flour of roasted gram. Finely ground मतलब एकदम महीन से पीसा हुआ.
We can also use it in summer season
Yeah.
as a drink.
Yes, but I don't call it sattu. I personally call it Indian Horlicks.
But sattu is more beneficial in summer season.
Of course it is, because it makes you feel thirsty, and because of that you drink more water. That is good for you in the summer season. So next one, please.
Where did you go?
Where did you go?
What are you going to
Where did
eat
you go?
this evening?
Tell me, where did you go?
When, about what time, sir?
Last week, last Sunday. Where did you go last Sunday?
Okay.
Did you go anywhere last Sunday?
No, but I went Jalandhar today, sir.
Jalandhar.
Yes.
Jalandhar was the son of Lord Shiva,
Yes, sir.
but he was
I
an undeserving son. Nalayak beta tha.
Okay.
Unworthy son. He was not a worthy son. So Lord Shiva killed him. He challenged Lord Shiva itself that I am the original Shiva and you can't be equal to me. So you should just resign from the post of Shiva and I'll be the Shiva, next Shiva of the world, or what should I say, universe.
Okay.
Lord Shiva tried to make him understand that this is not fair what you are doing, but he did not understand and he kept challenging his father. Then Lord Shiva got angry and killed him.
Okay.
So Bap is always Bap. Don't challenge.
Don't take panga with Bap.
Yes. Okay. And what others did? Did you people
I
go
went
anywhere?
to
Mhm.
I went to Gaya, the birthplace of Lord Buddha.
Okay, you went to Gaya last Sunday.
Last week.
Okay. Why did you go to
Why
Gaya?
you go-
Why did you go to Gaya?
I have to take my documents from Magadha University.
Okay. Very good.
That's why I went there.
Very good.
I also went to Bodh Gaya, Magadha University, in the last month
Uh-huh.
for my registration.
For your registration. Very good. Did you go anywhere, Prakash sir?
Yes, sir. I went to Patna in last December.
Last December. What about Sanaya and Rajnandini?
No, sir.
No, sir.
You did not go anywhere. I did not go anywhere either. I don't know, but I love staying at home. I don't feel like going anywhere. I don't feel like going even to the local market.
Yes, sir. I also.
I don't either, sir. I don't either.
And my mother does not let me do any work. She handles everything. Means she
But sir,
has.
you have to have any type of work. But you have to, you have any type of work, then you have to forcefully to go out, sir.
Means you are telling because of my nature, sir? Yes, of course. I don't like going.
No, no, no.
So, sir.
I'm just, but you have to do some work.
Uh-huh.
Then you have to forcefully go out, sir.
You are forced to
अगर
go
आपके
out.
पास
You
कोई
are
ऐसा
forced
काम,
to go out. आप मजबूर हो जाते जाने के लिए.
yes, yes,
I mean to
you're
say
forced
that.
to go out.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Actually, my mother has managed everything. She has fixed some sabji walas. They come every day and they give the sabji. And so far as grocery things are concerned, means 2 grocery stores have been booked, and we make a call and give them the list on WhatsApp, and they just send the things by the delivery boy. We don't need to go actually, and we work from home. That's why
Yes, sir.
we don't need to go. And so far as money transfer is concerned, I take money online and I transfer money online to everybody.
Yes, sir.
Take care of your health, sir. It's
No,
important.
a lot of things are there, sir, at home to be done for good health.
You will get.
I teach on the 3rd floor of my house.
So it's a sufficient.
And after every batch I go downstairs and then I come upstairs teach.
It's a good habit, sir.
Actually, I am forced to do so. So I feel so much homesick that if I don't go to the other members of the family, I don't talk, then I don't feel comfortable. So next one.
What are you
What
going
are
to
you
eat this
going to eat this evening?
What are you going to eat this evening?
Going to do this
I don't know what is cooked. What day it is
I'm
today?
not. I'm not going to eat this evening, sir.
Oh my God!
Anything.
Why so? Why so?
So I'm on diet, sir.
You are
I'm
on
going
diet.
to gym regularly, sir.
Oh, that's why you're not eating.
Yes, sir.
Great. How can you people
I
survive
don't like
without
it.
eating? I can't stay hungry for a evening also, only for an evening. Okay.
Well, sir, I had to because I have a big tongue. Yeah, sir, because of eating too much, sir.
Okay. Paunch. Paunch.
Punch. Yeah, sorry, punch.
Okay. So what are you
I-
people going to eat this evening?
I ate aloo bhar ki litti, sattu bhar ki litti.
Okay.
I
With?
will eat whatever my mother
Cooks. Okay, very good. And Sanaya Sattu Varkiliti, Abhishek will eat whatever his mother cooks. And what about Rajnandani and Rajesh sir and Prakash sir?
Tejas is also joined, sir.
Tejas,
But
where
he
is
not
Tejas?
saying,
Where is Tejas? Yeah, Tejas is there.
ma'am.
but he is not responding.
Why so? Tejas, is everything okay with you?
Tejas
Sir,
is
today my health is not good, sir. I'm
Okay, that's
I'm
why you're
suffering
not
from-
feeling energetic enough to talk that much, right?
yes, yes, sir.
What happened to you? What exactly happened to you?
much energy, sir.
What
Sir, I
exactly?
am. I have a little fever.
Okay. Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself.
Yes, sir.
Especially these days, so fever is dangerous.
Okay.
Because of COVID.
If something non-veg is there, I'm going to eat. Otherwise, I'm going to eat dahi roti.
Simple dahi roti, sir.
I love it. It is not simple.
It's a very tasty food, sir. In the morning, I eat.
Dahi, like roti with dahi, na, sir? Or making something else.
Sir, but sir, Ayurveda says dahi not to be eaten after sunset.
Hmm? It is not good to eat
Sir,
dahi after sunset.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I didn't know that. I know only that if dahi is meetha, sweet, then it can never harm you.
But a doctor always advise dahi roti
Hmm.
in those which you are in diet.
Okay.
Yeah, tell me, please tell me how to eat like simple roti and simple dahi
Mix some gur or khand or chini with it.
in dahi.
Yes, of course. And eat with roti.
But meetha creates fat, sir.
But I don't know, means I don't care that much.
Okay, okay.
You can
Rajesh
make
sir said na,
you
sir,
can make
that-
raita of dahi also. It can eat with roti.
Yes, yes, raita is very good.
Yes,
Okay.
raita is good for digestion, good for it is very it has very little amount of calories. What you say?
Okay, sir. Then I'm going to eat this, sir.
That will be good.
Yeah, sir.
So next, I think we should now wrap it up for today, and the remaining things will be done tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good night, sir.
Good night, all of you.
Good
night,
Good
Good
night,
night, sir.
Good
everyone.
night. Good night, Prakash sir, Rajesh sir, Mrs. Veer, Rajnandani,
Good night, sir.
Abhishek, Sanaya. Good night, everybody.
Good night.
Good night.